Hello guys, hello guys. There's a squirrel is there. Take this thing. The squirrel is there. And see his live squirrel. Very nice nature. Squirrel is there. See, his squirrel is in the park, in Coventry Park, West Midland Park. The squirrel is for real. See, he's eating. It's wild squirrel. Very nice. Please don't take this. Please take this with you. See, his live squirrel. See, it's very nice. Park is there, and the squirrel is eating his food. He's eating his lunch. If you guys can see. See, it's real. He has something in his hand. I'll show you guys. Okay. Here is he. So nature. See, there's the squirrel. Beautiful squirrel is climbing the tree. Here's he.